Brothers and sisters, I believe that Jesus Christ is coming back again in our generation. Be ready. He is coming back soon to take the bride of Christ, to take you, to take the church. He is coming back again. Let's welcome the King of Kings and Lord of Lords.